Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my great pleasure today to share with you a few facts and notes of what we are at Petrol Group doing today and especially for the future. As you know, we are all living in a very challenging time and we stand at the entrance of a very, I would say, unpredictable future. So there might be different solutions, there might be crossroads, but it's always a matter of the decision we take. And we at Petrol Company, we have decided to provoke a little bit because we have been, for more than 7 decades, a leading Slovenian and regional oil company. We actually have been supplying fossil fuels, petroleum products to our customers and clients. And from that point of view, we are really, how would I say, a black company. So now we are actually in the position to lead not just ourselves as the group of more than 5,000 people, but also the region we are living into green future. And it's going to be challenging because in any case, the petrol and the gas is still here, is still present. And we need to meet the demand of our clients. And this is what actually we are going to continue. But at the same time, we are very determined to build up or to put together the bricks into the green future. Today, we are, as I said, really a leading Slovenian petrol company, having many gas stations, not just in Slovenia, also in southeastern region. And this is what customer needs today. But in the future, we have other products to offer. And we are completely aware how to do it today. So being number one is not just being happy of that. It's also the responsibility we have to lead the change. And this is the change which will not be easy. It's not going to be very well determined. So we have to choose carefully in which direction to go. So we have decided to put the team together, to invite many engineers and to develop products which will lead us to this green future. And our determination is also shown by the investment we are planning to do. So in the next period of 5 years, we are planning to invest almost 700 million euro into company's transition. And 35% of total 700 million will be invested into energy transition. So it's roughly 250 million. Some might say it's not a lot, but still being in the transition period, we believe this is what we have to do and we are going to do. We developed several areas of this transition, several products, depending on either we are on the side of trying to decrease the energy consumption or to develop products to produce green energy, so to say. So we are going to build our future on 4 pillars besides the oil business, which is going to decrease in the next, I would say, a decade. So we have one pillar which is directly connected with how to spare energy, how to make our daily living more energy efficient. So we have products meant for industries, for end customers, where we actually try to decrease the consumption, to make their processes more efficient. We develop the e-mobility, not just e-mobility, also the mobility in total. We are building the public infrastructure of e-charging stations. We are also taking care of fleet management and combining all those things in one big package. We are also investing into renewable power plants. We are happy that we already have one wind power plant in Croatia, one just about to be open. It's not just about wind, it's also about solar, it's also about some new technologies like hydrogen. And the last but not least, we have to put all those, or bring all those points together. So we also developed our own platform, IT platform, that we can manage all those energy challenges we have. I will talk about this in details in the next few minutes. So when we talk about improving energy efficiency, it's about developing products with our engineers to help industries, to help end users to decrease their daily energy consumption, because this is one part of the equation. And we have developed products where we try to control the water consumption. So there are almost 11,000 kilometers of water system in Slovenia, and there are estimated a huge amount of water which is some kind lost in the process. So our system helps our customer to decrease these losses, and with that we of course take care of our water supply, so to say. We are investing into new public energy efficient lighting. Slovenia is mostly covered already with this, so we have up-to-date lighting public systems, but there is a lot of opportunity in the southern Eastern Europe, in Croatia and in Serbia, where we are also very active today. The second area, the second pillar we are developing is, as I mentioned before, renewables. So there are actually three major areas. One is wind power plants, the second solar power plants, and also we are developing in this segment the hydrogen technology. This is a brand new one. People don't know exactly in which direction we are going, but there are already needs in the market how to actually bring hydrogen into the system. We are happy to announce that not just one power plant which is in operation today in Croatia, we are just about to open another one in June. Altogether there will be more than 50 megawatts of energy, and we are also just in the process of developing our first solar plant, power plant, which will be probably open next year. We are also very active in using the funds of European Commission and working on different pilot projects. And one pilot project which is in the middle of development is in Luce. So it's how to bring and make a community independent. And this community is now independent from, let's say, the, how they say, the black energy sources. So the community is completely self-efficient with renewables, mostly with solar panels and batteries. So they can, in case of any disruption in the supply of the energy, they can actually survive for a couple of days just by themselves. In mobility area, we are the mobility provider. So actually today we are still supplying many gas stations with gasoline. We are completely aware that this is not the way the future will look like, but the demand in the market exists, so we are committed to develop the best possible fuels to keep the nature as clean as possible. But in the meantime, the main focus is e-mobility. We are building the public infrastructure, not just in Slovenia, also in Croatia, and we plan to have more than 1,600 charging points at the end of 2025. And in the meantime, we are also developing products in the area of fleet management, because we believe in the future we will not just talk about ownership of the cars by individuals. There will be probably different products enabling us the mobility. And to put all these dots together, we believe there is a platform needed, and we have developed a unique, we call it Tango Platform, which combines all those energy systems and enables not just ourselves but also our customers to control their energy consumptions and their processes. So at the end of this short presentation, I think in this process of changes we are already in, we cannot walk alone. So being number one, as I said, is the responsibility to make this change, to lead the change. And it's not just about us. It's about the understanding of the future. It's about combining different partners together, like governments, like big enterprises, and also individuals in this transition to a better and green future. Thank you.